my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a Zara haul because I'm addicted to Zara. I'm wearing Zara right now, and winter clothes are my favourite, and I think Zara just has so many nice things. Do you like Zara, Harlow? Yes, I do. Got all the pets with me again today. Misty's just down here, the cat. Harlow's just chilling with me now. So I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing, and I've got this like feather effect jumper on. I just love textured jumpers. It's so nice. You can wear it in the day or like dress it up and wear it in the evening as well. How much is this one? Ah, this is only $15.99. That's a bargain for this because it's like proper feathered. Yeah, it's slightly like on the cropped side, but it just goes so nice with leather trousers. And I like the sleeves because they're quite long as well. I like that length of the sleeve. Yeah, I got a size large because I don't want it tight on the arms, and I feel like a large is always good in a sweatshirt. I used it in a photo the other day for a makeup picture. That looked quite cool. And then I've got these really nice earrings in. These are, how much are these? These are the same price as this jumper, $15.99. So altogether 30 quid. That's not too bad for like some really nice earrings and a jumper. I just think they're so pretty. Big statement earring, which I love. Yeah, they're not too shiny. Pretty. So first outfit is this lovely, very chunky jumper. It's so thick and heavy, but it's, how much is this? It's about £60. So you get what you pay for with this. It's so warm, like you don't really need a jacket over the top. So yeah, I got this one in a size small, surprisingly, because I always get my jumpers in a large, but this one is an oversized one, so a small fits me perfectly. And I've got that on with this lovely black pleated skirt, and it's so good because it's actually got built-in shorts, so if a big gust of wind comes, then you've got shorts built in, which is great. Yeah, elasticated waist. This is $29.99, and I got a size medium, so I can fit a jumper nicely down there and tuck it in. And then the belt that I got is this one, which is like a waist belt. This one was about $17.99, and I got it in a size 32, but it is adjustable, so I think I even added an extra hole here so you can like adjust it as well, so you can wear it either that way or that way at the front, which is good. And the boots that I'm wearing in that outfit are these Western ones. Let me check how much they are because I feel like they were quite expensive. Can't find them. Aha. Suede cowboy boots, $95.99, but they are real suede. Let me show you them. These ones. As soon as I saw these, I was like, I need them because they are so cool. They've got a tiny little heel and they go right up to your knee, which makes your legs look slimmer. And I've worn them a lot actually, but I got a size 4 because they're quite long. Like they make your feet look quite long. Yeah, and I'm a size 5, so I'm guessing size down in those. And then the next outfit that I got is, I think this is my favourite outfit because it's a little bit different for me. It's a bit more ladylike, and when I wear it I feel very like Mary Poppins. It's this leather midi skirt. So I don't normally wear midi skirts, but because it's leather I thought it was a bit cooler. It's like a cool version of a midi skirt. So yeah, I got this lovely skirt. It comes with a belt. It's nice and flattering. What size did I get? A medium. And I think this is about £50 or $49.99 or something like that. So I wore this, and then I've got my black boots that go underneath, and I actually wore leggings underneath this just as an extra layer, so you can't tell that I've got thermals on underneath it, which is great. So yeah, I've got that skirt, and then my absolute favourite item is this jumper. It's covered in hair. Everything seems to be sticking to it, so I need to do a de-hairer on that one. But it's this pearl jumper. It's a black jumper, but it's got lovely pearls on the front and back, which is great because normally they just put them on the front. So I was very impressed when I saw this. It's super stretchy, it's lovely and soft, it's not itchy, because that's one thing that I look for in jumpers. Yeah, what size did I get this in? A large. And it's perfect size actually. I'm glad I didn't get an extra large, so I think it would be too baggy on the sleeves. But yeah, it fits perfectly. I'm very happy with that one. Then I've got a couple of blazers, and starting with this one. This is an oversized houndstooth print blazer. I got this in a size large. I'm glad I didn't get it any bigger. Whether it comes in bigger, yep, you can go extra large. That would be absolutely massive. And the shoulders are so padded as well. But it's really lovely actually. I think I might keep this one. But yeah, I can't remember how much that blazer is because the tag's been taken out of it. I will link it though. I'll find out and link it down below. I'm definitely going to be wearing this one. So yet again, another jumper. This one's like proper stretchy. It's really slouchy and it's really long as well. It's got quite baggy sleeves, which I like. And again, it's super, super soft. So well done, Zara. This is lovely. It's $49.99. And it only comes in a size small or medium. So this is a medium and it fits really nice. Like, I can just imagine wearing this with over the knee boots, or trying to think what else I could wear it with. Just anything, like you could wear it with anything. And another jumper that I ordered is this one, like quite long, and it's quite chunky, and Zara have got so many lovely jumpers. It's just like every day there's a new jumper on there that I want. It's got like puffy sleeves and then it goes thin, which I thought was really unusual. I've never seen one like that. So yeah, it's got lovely colours. It's a bit of a Christmassy, wintry jumper, but it's not too in your face. It's soft again, not itchy. When I saw this on the model online, they put it with like baggy jeans and she was stood like that. So I wasn't sure on this one. But when it arrived and I tried it on, I actually quite like it. And then around the jumper, I've got this little belt. And it's got a lovely couple of compartments. And I was joking the other day, but that would fit my retainer in perfectly. It's like a perfect shape, and that one would just fit like cards and stuff in. I just think that's genius. So yeah, you can take those off as well if you don't want them on or just want one on. So yeah, I can't remember how much these are. Let me check for you. So this jumper is $49.99, which is actually okay for a jumper this thick. I got a size medium. And then the belt is real leather, so it's a little bit more expensive. It's $29.99, but I think that's okay, to be honest. I got that in a size 34 and it fits perfectly around my waist. Right down there. You're right, little Chewy. Yeah. It is Chewy. Got your little Chewy. And the last outfit that I want to show you is this. How nice is this? It's like a, it looks like a dress from the front, but it's actually got shorts. So it's like a play suit, but with a skirt over the top, which is cool. I just really love leather. So this is, I got a size medium, and it's $29.99, and I think that's an absolute bargain for a lovely leather dress. I've put a like blouse underneath it, but you could put a jumper underneath as well, so that would look really cool. And the blouse I've got is this one. I love the sheerness of it, and it's got like a lovely pattern going through it, like lots of little dots and things. This is a size medium too, and that's $25.99, and I just think that looks really lovely underneath it, because it's got like balloon sleeves as well. The earrings that I'm wearing in like every outfit are these little pearl ones I got a little while ago from Zara, but these are like, I think they're about $12.99. So yeah, they're really cool. They look so pretty. And then I got these hair clips as well. They're £12.99, and I actually got these a while ago, but then I lost them, so I ordered them again. Hopefully they're going to turn up, so then I have like 4 of them, but they just look so cool. I wear them like in a low ponytail with those going across. Yeah, I really like those. So that is the end of my Zara haul video. I hope you've loved watching all my little outfits and things. I'm going to link all the items that I've worn in the description box, so you can find them there. I'd love to know what your favourite items are, or what your favourite outfit is. But yeah, I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.